Hey there, how are you? This is Russell Boatsell. I'm just logged into my Power Lead system. I just want to show you how you can copy a website and edit it yourself from the list of websites Power Lead system offers. So, and the mobile friendly as well straight away. I was with another company and it was just an absolute headache when you copied a website and edited it. Just got all out of line and it drove me insane. So you go to my websites and you go to manage subdomains, and so you're creating a new subdomain. My main domain is russboatsell.com, so I just want to type in test and create that subdomain. And I want to then go to copy web pages, and let's choose one we can edit. Let's just say this one. These are the standard lead pages you get with Power Lead system. These are the choices you have when you want to start marketing, which one you use. All you do is just press that. Just press confirm, and so I'll use this one because I'll change the background as well as I want to show you how easy it is. So you just press that one you want, go to the bottom, make me a copy. So here we've got a few things to edit. They're really very simple. I'm just going to put test lead page. You can call it whatever you want. That free video reveals is what shows up on the top of the website on the browser bar. Choose a domain you want to use, so I just want to use test Russell Boatsell. There it is, that's the domain I just made. And then you can leave this set up, but you've got to choose a auto responder series you want it to point to. So just put lead lightning there, which is what you want. You can also add Aweber if you like, and if you have get response, you can add them as well. They're really very simple to add, but I'm just going to use the Power Lead system auto responder. And then choose a page that you want it to point to when people opt in. So I want lead lightning, and I want the lead lightning sales page there, so that when people opt in, they will be transferred to that lead lightning sales page. So save changes, go to the next step. Current background, that's that one. Let's change the background so it shows you so I can show you how easy it is. Let's pick one out. Let's say that one. Okay. That one, which then comes here. There it is there with the truck and the sound. Okay, see how easy that was? And then say I want to change the text. Okay, so I want to delete that, backspace, and let's just say this is one amazing system. It puts leads and buyers in my list daily. That's just off the top of my head. And let's make it okay. Puts leads. Let's highlight that a different colour. Let's go red. That's already bossed. There you are, red. Okay, let's just leave it for that. If you want to say something else, you can do. You can say as much as you want. And so what else? We don't need to adjust this. This is already configured to your lead lightning system and auto series, so don't bother editing that. Don't bother editing that. The button you can just leave there, and so save changes, and that's it. That is it. Is that simple or what? So let's just view our web page. There's your page. Okay, I'm not that keen on the background, but you know, let's just change the background. Okay, I'll show you how easy it is. Let's just change the background. But I want to show you how it looks on mobile and iPad, because I was with another company and that just drove me insane. There's the background. That's the only thing we need to edit. You can edit your text again if you like afterwards. Let's just pick a new background. Something with a bit of... what do you think? That one. Quite like that one. With the sunset, the sea and the beach. That's what it looks like where I live in Thailand. I live in Thailand in Asia. And I've been here 17 years. So again, there's my new background. I just want to save that. And I'm going to show you how it looks on my mobile and how it looks. So let me just open that. There you go. That looks pretty cool. I like that. Excuse me. So let me just go to my browser on my mobile. There it is on my mobile. See it there? Sorry about the reflection, but there's that's how it looks on my mobile and on my iPad. I'm going to show you how it looks on my iPad too. So there it is on my iPad in the, is that the landscape view? I can't remember, it might be portrait, I don't know. Or you can see it in, if it moves over, there you go, in the landscape view or portrait view, whatever it is. Nice background and the opt-in box in the middle and all the word in there. So that's really cool, isn't it? It's on my iPad. And before, when I was in this other company, it would not do that, and you couldn't even do iPads, you only could do mobile phones and desktops or laptops, and it just got all out of sync when you edited it. So there you are, and that is now ready to promote. I could just enter my name there. In fact, I will do Billy, like that, and I don't know, Billy 1, Billy 22 at Gmail. I know this is a fictional email address, but I just want to show you how easy it is. And you got your bot check, which I really like. Bot checks is good. It means it's a second step, like a double opt-in. And then submit. And then it transfers directly to the lead lightning page. There you go, that's the lead lightning sales page. If I want to change my page or any other page, I can do. It's very, very simple to do. And this lead lightning page is really very good. It's $7 one time, and it's the best $7 I've ever spent. Absolutely brilliant. And there, $7, bang. And you make $6. So that's not too bad at all. But if I want to change my page when they opt in to another page, I can do. Not a problem. So easy to do. I just go here, and I press here, and let's say I want to do Lead Lightning page 2. This is another page, really good page, and scroll to the bottom, save your changes, and that's it. Bang, simple as. Is that easy or what? Really cool system is PowerLead system. And like I say, you can change your background again, you can edit, you can skip that, you can edit your text, change whatever you want on there, just change that, and then just press save at the bottom, review, and there's your link to promote it. We can go here and go to web pages, and you'll see it in your list of web pages there. Test page, edit, test link, which means when I press it, it opens up the website. There you go. And share. If I want to share it with somebody, it gives me the option of sending it to somebody in my team. I just create a name for it, test, and press submit, and that'll come here, and you just send that code to whoever you want to share the link with, the web page with, sorry. And that's about it. Oh, you got stats as well. Stats, giving you the stats for the hits and everything. And if I want to copy it, I just press copy and it'll make me a new one, exactly the same, but I can call it something else as well. Say, I have these for viral URL, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, things like that, so I can copy them and just name them that. Facebook posting, or Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, all that sort of stuff. Very, very easy. Super system. My info is below if you want to check it out. Okay, I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care. Bye.